So I had a few of my followers ask me a few questions about how to set up an Amazon merch account. Well, here's my account right here, and it shows that I have sold a few items in the last 7 days, and it shows my royalties on what you make. And it's pretty cool the way that they set them up because they control the shipping, they wrap the package, they control the printing of your product, your t-shirt, and they ship it to where it's going, and you get a percentage, a royalty off of that, off of your design, which is great because you can actually see it. So most people say, oh, I can get royalties, but you don't see it. So if you're not controlling the shipping or the buying of the shirts, all you're doing is submitting your logo, putting your proper information in to build your account. So like here, for instance, like if you wanted to create a shirt, it'll take you to a platform where you upload it. You put your logo in here. You choose your t-shirt style or .com or how you want to upload it. If you want hoodies, sweaters or whatnot, you choose, you pick that, and it's pretty much simple, man. You just need your tax ID, so you're going to need your EIN number. You're going to need your bank account information. You want to make sure that you're registered in whatever city, state you're in for your business account. And you get all that information. Amazon pretty much allow you to just upload everything you need. And it takes a little while. You know, they want to make sure you are who you are. So it's not a long process, but it is a little process. But like I say, it's very much worth it because you can upload your images to show you what you have on there live. And right now I have a few different products, as you see, but all of these are clothing, from t-shirts, sweaters, long sleeve shirts to hoodies. So that's what I specialize in as far as now. But it's very important to have your brand on Amazon because as you breaking yourself and you building your business, if you got a movement, people want to know about it. And if you got a cool logo and you got a story behind who you are, people want to know about it. So most definitely build your Amazon account. It's a free account. It just takes some time to build it. So it's very important, if you ask me, to build you an Amazon merch account. If you are a small business owner, if you are independent welder, independent worker, I think this is a nice source of income. And like I say, you can do a lot with this. You really can. And it pretty much shows you everything you need. It'll break down your earnings, everything. So the sky's the limit with this. Hold on.